Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to add Gmail link to your Canva website. Okay, so what we're going to do here is you just have to open your Canva account and then open your website. Okay, so now that you're here, what you're going to do next is you just have to add a text. You can also add different elements for this button. So here I'm just going to keep it simple. So I'm just going to use this textile right here. And what I am going to do next is to place it right here at the top. And I'm just going to type out right here, email me. That's right. So we're just going to use this one. So you just have to highlight this text and click on this linked option. After that, you have to type out mail to. Okay, so you have to copy this format and then type out your email address. Okay, after that, you just have to click on done and then click on done. That's right. And then here you can also remove these line. That's right. And then you can now add a background color for this one. If you want to change the color of this text, then you can do that as well. Okay, so it's up to you as long as your clients are gonna see this section. Okay, so now when we are going to preview this one and someone clicked on this link right here, they will be directed to the page where they can email you directly. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.